offering an outdoor swimming pool and a fitness center. Kasa Austin Downtown Apartments is an apart hotel set in the heart of Austin, not far from Austin Convention Center. Each unit at the apart hotel is fitted with air conditioning, private bathroom and a kitchen including a dishwasher, oven and a microwave. A toaster, a fridge and stovetop are also provided, as well as a smart espresso, cappuccino maker. Kasa Austin Downtown Apartments offers a terrace. Capitol Building is a 12-minute walk from the accommodations, while Frank Erwin Center, University of Texas is 1.2 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Austin Bergstrom International Airport, 6.2 miles from the property. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. For more videos, hit the subscribe button.